How to do fast forward effect in Reelshot. Speed up your videos with fast forward effect in Reelshot to condense long processes, create dynamic montages, or add a comedic touch. This guide will show you how to quickly accelerate your footage. In your open Reelshot project, tap on the video clip on the timeline that you wish to fast forward. This will select the clip and bring up its editing options. Look for the speed tool icon in the editing toolbar. It often looks like a speedometer or shows 1x. Tap on this icon to open the speed adjustment controls. We're already clicking on it. You'll find a speed slider or present options. To create a fast forward effect, drag the slider to a value greater than 1x, example 2x or 4x. Let's choose an 4x. Tap turn or apply to confirm. Your video now zips along at an accelerated pace. You've successfully created a fast forward effect in Reelshot. Condense time and add excitement. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot dynamic editing tips.